health conditions that we are bequeathing them because of the poor air quality that we have in our city. There's also the death toll on London's roads. 136 people were killed in collisions on London's roads last year. About 2,000 were seriously injured, and about 30,000 suffered so-called slight injuries. About half of all of those killed were pedestrians, and about a third of all of those suffered.
Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a basic PA system. Now this would be beneficial for somebody who's just starting in the events industry, AV events industry. So first thing is find the location where everything is going to go. So as you can see, my lectern is going there, then the presentation screen, it's going here, then there are two speakers which is just right behind me and one is just around there, and this is the seating. It's about 20 to 30 people. It's a small event, that's why I'm just making it for the beginners. Now my desk would be just right there, which I'll show you in a minute. I'll do all the connections while I'm doing this, and I'll just show you guys what you need to take in account in order to set this up properly. If you guys can do this properly, you can run any kind of event. Doesn't matter 500,000. The fundamentals needs to be correct. Alright guys, as I go along, I'll show it to you. So guys, start by connecting the speak-on cable to the speaker input, and then just tape this cable with the speaker stand so it looks nice and neat. And then obviously this cable goes to the amplifier. Now the mixer I'm using, it has built-in amplifier. It's a Allen & Heath mixer PA12CP, which has got a built-in amplifier. So what you do is just connect the cable to the amplifier input. And now obviously it's just two speakers, one is just right here and the other one is just right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna daisy chain. So I'm gonna take the output from here and then run the cable to that speaker input. But what I'll take in account is this, that my amplifier supports the drop resistance. So if you look on the back of this mixer, it supports 4 ohms and 8 ohms. So I've switched it to 4 ohms. Now if you look at the back of the speaker, you can read that it's a 8 ohms 200 watts. But by connecting them in parallel mode, I'm dropping the resistance. So that's why I want my amplifier to support 4 ohms per channel. That's why I have switched it to 4 ohms. Okay, so that's the speaker setup with your amplifier. Now rest I'll show you how to connect the wireless microphones and a wired microphone. Thank you. Okay, so for wireless microphone setup, what you need is just open the box, and this is the receiver. Just place it on the desk somewhere. This is the XLR cable that's gonna connect the receiver to the mixer. This is the power adapter. These are the antennas, and this is the microphone. So for this setup, I'm going to be setting up 2, but I'll just demonstrate 1. So I'll put, okay, so what do? Start by connecting the antennas. These are B and C connectors, so just make sure it twists. And connect the XLR cable. connect it to the available input channel on the mixer, and then just connect the power supply and test your microphone. So guys, have a look at the bag. So these are the antennas. This is the XLR output going into the mixer input, and this is the power cable. And make sure that you secure the power cable, feeding the cable into this hook. So whatever happens, if I pull it, it's not going to come out. Okay guys, so the setup has been done. There are two handhelds, as you can see. There is a mixer with built-in amplifier. There are two speakers, one LCD screen with a Mac Pro with PowerPoint and Playback Pro software, and then there is a Lectron with a AKG microphone, shotgun microphone. So if you look here, channel 2 is for Lectron, 1 and 2 for handheld. I mean, this is a really basic setup. So if you guys have any questions, this video is for beginners. If you guys have any questions, then just ask. And the way you leave the slack is just right under the speaker, and just make it as tidy as you can. So if somebody is taking photos and stuff, then it looks nice. Tape down all the cables and stuff, especially where they're gonna be walking. So there you go. Always tape down the cables properly. Alright guys, hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please click on the like icon, and I'll keep making good AV videos. Thank you. Bye.